Hey everybody, Chris Visual with Nitro Gear and Axle here with the Off-Road Power Products Colorado ZR2. It's a really nice truck. They brought it to us this week to have a Nitro ring and pinion 456 gear package installed. The reason that they're doing this is because they're planning on going up a tire size. They're going to 35s. And with that added extra weight, you will also have a decrease in performance. Now, a lot of people that lift their trucks or add extra weight, like front and rear steel bumpers, safari racks, spare tires, and oversized tires, may not realize how much of a performance loss they're taking without doing a gear package. So when you're adding to the rolling mass of your truck, you're forcing all of that to be handled by your transmission. So your transmission may not shift correctly, your transmission may start to overheat, and you'll definitely notice a lack in performance, especially right off the line in acceleration, if you're not geared at the axles properly. So we have for sale now GMC Canyon and Chevy Colorado 456 Nitro gears to remedy that. If you want all your performance back and you don't want to feel sluggish off the line anymore, and you need to be able to put all that torque where it needs to be, and also while moving all that extra rolling mass, if you've added heavy aftermarket accessories or up tire sizes and you're seeing a decrease in performance, we can definitely get that all back just by doing a Nitro ring and pinion with the correct ratio.